Hi, my name's Ali. I'm going to show you a affiliate marketing blueprint that you can use to build a full-time business online. So your first week, you want to choose a niche. You want to join an affiliate program. Week 2, you want to scope out your competition. You want to pick the product that you want to promote, and you want to make a schedule, a plan, and you basically want to stick to it. You want to be organized. Week 3, you want to build your funnels, your websites, your YouTube videos, your content, your campaigns. You don't have to do all of them. I would recommend like at least 2, at least a website and some YouTube videos. Week 4, you want to start driving free traffic, and you want to get your content ranked with the keywords, and you want to do email marketing. Week 5, you want to invest in paid traffic to scale your business. And week 6, you want to start making money by repeating weeks 2 through 5. So you basically just want to repeat the whole process, all the steps in week 6. And there is more to it, so we're going to get into the detail of each week next. Okay, so this is part 1, the affiliate marketing blueprint. There's going to be some background noise because I have the air conditioner on. Okay, so this is week 1. So before I get started, so later on at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a training that teaches you everything with affiliate marketing and with any kind of business that you want to build online. So I'm going to show that at the end of the video. So make sure you watch the whole video so you can get each week, in detail, and a training that you can sign up for at the end of the video. I'll talk about that also. Alright, so week 1, you want to choose the niche. You want to join an affiliate program. Basically, you want to find out what you're passionate about. You want to do something that you enjoy, that you know a lot about. Is there money in the niche? You want to do your research, basically, through Google. You want to use the keyword planner, stuff like that. You want to ask yourself, can you see yourself putting out a lot of content for the niche? Is there enough demand? These are just questions you basically want to ask yourself, and you want to do research. With the keyword planner, Google Trends, you want to go in there and you want to see about the monthly searches in the niche. You want to search the main keyword for the niche. Make sure it's not a seasonal niche. Are there affiliate programs in the niche? Is there products to sell in the niche? And also for week 1, you want to scope out your competition. You want to find products that you want to promote. You want to find products, in your niche. You want to find the products in ClickBank. You want a gravity score that's basically above 10 and a high commission rate. This way, you make a decent income. Of course, you want to look for CPA offers. CPA is cost per action. So the CPA offer in whatever niche you're doing. So get paid with email submits, phone calls. You want to look for physical products that are over $40. This way, you have a higher commission in your niche. So you want to look for products that are in your niche that are basically about $40 or over $40. So you basically, in week 1, you want to find a niche. You want to find the product you want to promote, and you want to organize yourself so you don't get overwhelmed. You want to have basically a schedule. You want to write things down. You want to have a plan. So that's all for week 1. Okay, so week 2, you want to do your research. You want to research your competition. You want to basically build out your business plan. You want to treat it like a real business. You want to have a content schedule. You basically want to write down stuff, each week, what you're going to do, what you're going to do each month. You want to write down all your goals. You want to do research on your demographics. So you basically want to find out, about your audience in your niche. So it's important to know your audience. You want to know what you're trying to sell, who you're selling to for the niche. You want to know what's going to get their attention. You want to know what they want to buy. So you want to look for common keywords. You want to see what is being searched in your niche, the problems that they have, what kind of questions are they going to ask. You want to find out basically how to try to help them with the problem, with the content that you're going to be providing. So whatever you're providing, that's supposed to help them. So you basically want to make like a cheat sheet or some type of a website with valuable content or a funnel, and you want to find a product that's going to solve their problem fast, and you want to have the product to be better than what you're giving away for free. So whatever you're giving away for free, you just want to basically get their attention, but the product, you want your product to be better than what you're giving away for free. Next, so you want to basically find what products you can sell. You want to do research on that. Next, you want to basically focus on doing some research on the top blogs, the YouTube channels, Facebook groups, Facebook pages. So you basically want to scope out your competition with the Facebook groups, the top blogs, the YouTube videos. So you basically want to know what you're up against, and you want to keep track of all that. You want to write things down. It does come in handy. It basically helps you with information and knowing what you're up against. Okay, so week 3, you want to build a website. You want to build a funnel, a YouTube channel. So basically, one of those 3 things. I would recommend at least 2 of them. Do at least a YouTube channel and maybe a website. That would be 2 of the best things that you can do. You can use social media. You would use the social media to lead them from the Facebook page to your website or to your funnel, something like that. So at least 2 of the things, either a YouTube channel together with a website. So basically, now that you have all your research done, what you want to do is you want to build authority, and you want to use content to basically get traffic and to get sales. So for a website, you would use WordPress and a domain. And the training that I'm going to show you at the end of the video basically teaches you how to build a website with WordPress, step by step, keyword research, everything you need to basically do affiliate marketing online. It teaches you everything, Facebook ads, everything like that. I'll show that more at the end of the video. So also with funnels, you can use Builderall, you can use ClickFunnels, lead pages, whatever is best for your budget. Next we have, so basically for week 3, you want to basically stay with what is relevant to your niche, whatever content. You want to keep it interesting, engaging enough to keep your audience coming back for more, of course. This is where the statement comes in, content is king. You want to provide as much valuable content as possible in your website, in your funnels, in your emails. You want to do whatever you can to get their attention, for your niche. So basically your goal is to establish yourself as an authority in that niche. You don't have to have a personal brand. It can basically be, your website acts as your authority in that small niche. So you can promote like headphones, on the website, and that acts as, an authority in your small niche. So basically one of the ways to provide, content is basically product reviews. So you can do product reviews. Basically you just review like a headphone brand from Amazon, and that would be your way of providing content. So you would just review the product. Then you have your blog posts, your YouTube videos. That's another way of solving the common problem. So you want to address the common problem on your blog post or through a YouTube video, and you want to do relevant issues that's basically relevant to your target audience, to your market, to your niche. Basic example would be how to lose weight, how to get rid of ankle pain if you're doing health, or fitness. That would be an example. You want to basically give away, free, good, valuable information or informational products. So basically, good information that's on your website for free. In your funnel, you want to give away like cheat sheets, basically lead magnets. That is basically what you want to do. That's what you want to give away. So week 3, you're basically just providing valuable content. You're going to do research on what you're going to put out there, what you're going to do. For that's week 3. What works best for your niche. So that's basically week 3. Doing keyword research is important here. This is where it comes in handy in week 3. You basically want to give away something that's valuable. That has to do with the whatever you're promoting with the affiliate marketing. We can give away an ebook, a video series, a PDF file, stuff like that. Basically, so the person would put in their email in the free offer. They would get the free offer, and then you would do email marketing to the subscribers, and you would send out new emails, and that would be your way of providing content to the subscribers through your emails, through your website, and through your YouTube channel. So that's how you would do the email marketing. You have to have the free offer. So that's basically week 3, finding out what you're going to promote, what kind of content you're going to provide to your audience, whatever is relevant to your niche. Okay, so next is part 2. It's going to review the rest of the weeks for the affiliate marketing blueprint, so check out part 2. And there's going to be a video at the end of part 2 discussing a free sign-up to learn affiliate marketing. So be sure to check out part 2 of the affiliate marketing blueprint. Thanks.